Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable or disable password strength check in Bither Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, enter your PIN code to access your wallet. After that, you will need to go to your settings. Click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now go to advanced options. After that you will see password strength check. Click on it and you can click on button to enable your password strength check. Or you can simply turn it off by clicking on the off button. And you will get a confirmation message. To ensure that you really want to turn off password strength check, click on OK. I recommend you to enable the password strength check because it will help you to create a stronger password for your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.